Good evening, guys. Today I will make mixed fruit salad. It's a healthy food. The guava fruit I harvest from my garden. Only guava fruit, and another fruit I just have left in my house that we bought it. So go to check out with me how I'm doing it. สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้โบจะพามาทำสลัดรวมผลไม้นะคะซึ่งเป็นเมนูสุขภาพจะมีผลไม้ชนิดเดียวก็คือฝรั่งนะคะที่เก็บมาจากสวนตัวเองนอกนั้นก็จะเป็นผลไม้ที่เราซื้อมาและก็เหลือก็เลยนำมาทำเป็นอาหารสุขภาพวันนี้ค่ะไปรับชมกันได้เลยค่ะ What you should have for make fruit salad you should have any kind of fruit but today I have apple guava this one pear I'm not sure but I'm search in the Google they said it's pear and dragon fruit and natural yogurt and if you want sweet you add honey สิ่งที่จะมีในการทำฟรุตผลไม้นะคะหรือสลัดผลไม้นะคะก็ผลไม้อะไรก็ได้แต่ตอนนี้เรามีแอปเปิ้ลแล้วก็ฝรั่งสาลี่แก้วมังกรโยเกิร์ตรสธรรมชาติแล้วก็ถ้าอยากหวานก็เติมน้ำผึ้งลงไป I add more tomato. I saw it in the fridge, so I add it. Guava, some they are bad, but it's okay. I take the good part. I check already. This part is good, so I use this part. Take the seed, guava fruit out. Next, pear fruit. Take the center out. And you have to peel the skin out too, this kind of fruit. This fruit easy to chop done dragon fruit chop and take like this. Oh, sorry. Dragonfly. Okay. Do the same. And you see almost full one plate. I will change to be a big plate. Add tomato. Easy. So I will separate only one meal. In one bowl. Then I will add nature yogurt. I just cook a simple. Don't want to make a salad seasoning or salad sauce. It's a simple cooking. And you just mix it. If you that I told you, if you think it's still not sweet, you can add the honey, but I will taste it. No need to add honey. It's sweet. It's good. Very good. Very good. Thank you for keep watching until I'm done make mixed fruit salad. I hope you enjoy it and you can do at your home. It's easy and it's healthy and unfatting because now I try to lose my weight. So please feel free to leave comment below, and if you are a newer here in this video, please support my YouTube channel by subscriber and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe and be healthy. สวัสดีค่ะ